Okay, 10,000 checks, please.
Coming up. Seatbelt smoking sign is on. Seatbelts.
Left.
Right. APU waiting on the ground. Left and right hydraulics are auto and avionics are set for approach.
AirPod 1, are they just giving you that descend via clearance a little late? Is that what that is?
Yes, they did, but they gave us Sierra Tango Whiskey at 6,000 that month.
Okay. Yeah, the last 3 folks that's passed over there has just gotten this late descent. Sorry about that. You can maintain 4,000 and fly heading 090.
090 down to 4,000, AirPod 1, no problem.
Right then,
954, contact Teterboro Tower. We'll see ya.
Contact Teterboro Tower. Have a good day.
We're still going for runway 6, right?
Yep.
Okay, I guess it's just for spacing or something.
Yep, still 6.
Okay. Sending 4,000, heading 090.
Yep.
And you can line me up from Wings. Temperature is plus 11. It's only a thin layer. No anti-ice required.
Alright, and it is.
I see Vinx. Let's go.
AirPod 1, turn right heading 140.
140 to the right, AirPod.
Want to go 140 selected.
I see.
Okay, traffic 12 o'clock, roughly same altitude in sight. White airplane, flying from north to southeast.
Exit to 766, descend to 3,000. Traffic will pass off the left side here at about 5 miles. Altitude
Coming ahead of us in the sequence.
Yeah.
Roger, descending 3,000 now, exit to 766. Any speed for us, exit to 766?
Yeah, just maintain your present speed. I got traffic following you in.
Present speed, exit to 766.
And APU after landing.
Sounds good.
Departure worldwide 82's
And remember, it's going to be vacated to the left.
Worldwide 82, Newark approach, radar
Lima.
contact,
Lima,
information
if you can.
Victor,
If not, it's Victor,
and turn
Alpha,
right heading
Gold
180
George
for the ILS Zulu 6.
Right turn 180 for runway 6, worldwide 82.
Worldwide 82, you can maintain a speed of 180 or greater.
180 or greater, worldwide 82.
AirPod 1, turn right heading 180.
180 to the right, AirPod
180.
Exit to 766, turn left heading 170.
Left turn 170, exit to 766.
Exit 766, turn left heading 130, traffic no factor.
Left turn heading 130, exit 766.
AirPod 1, traffic 11 o'clock, 5 miles southwestbound indicating 2600.
Okay, Semanticus. Traffic 12 o'clock inside
AirPod
flight.
1, turn left heading 150 and speed 200.
150, 200 speed airport.
One 150 selected, speed 200.
See 200, I see 150.
AirPod 1, descend and maintain 3000. The traffic will pass off your right side here in a moment.
3000, AirPod 1.
Worldwide 82, turn left heading 090, maintain 2000 until established cleared ILS Zulu 6 approach.
090, 2000 established, cleared ILS 6, worldwide 82.
Exit 766, reduce speed to 200, then
I
descend
got
and
it.
maintain 2000.
Okay.
Got it.
Speed 200, then down to 2000, exit 766.
Let's up it a little bit.
AirPod 1, traffic's off the right side now, no factor.
We got it inside AirPod 1.
Worldwide 82, speed 180 or greater to Torby, contact Teterboro Tower.
180 or greater to over the tower.
I got ghost needles on my side. And I see you got them too.
Approach Gulfstream 401 Juliet Sierra, 4.2 for 3000 direct fix.
Whoever 401 Juliet Sierra, North approach, roger.
And there's Morristown.
Zero, flex check 613.
Yep.
8,000 across Bugsy, 6,000.
3000.
Alexa 613, North approach,
Check.
information Zulu, expect RNAV 5 unless you want the visual.
Okay, we have Zulu. We'll take the visual, flex check 613.
Alright, Flexa 613, you expect visual approach, runway 5.
Flex the visual, 5, flex check 613.
AirPod 1, turn left heading 140 and descend and maintain 2000.
140 down to 2000 AirPod 1.
140 and
See.
2000.
One to go.
Copy.
Exit 766, turn left heading 090, maintain 2000 until established, cleared ILS Zulu 6 approach, speed 180.
Alright, left turn 090, maintain 2 until established, and then clear for ILS 6 approach, speed 170, 180, exit 766.
Flexa 613, fly heading 140, descend to 3000.
140, 3,000, flex check 613.
AirPod 1, turn left heading 130.
130 AirPod
130.
See it.
Exit 766, contact Teterboro Tower, see ya.
Over tower, exit 766, take care.
Flexa 613, proceed direct Hosby for the visual approach.
Direct Cosby, flex check 613.
Okay, traffic ahead in sight. Just between the New World Trade Center and the Billionaire Road there.
Oh, I see.
I think he's a 180 on the speed.
Probably will get it too soon.
Yep.
AirPod 1, turn left 090, maintain 2000 until established, cleared ILS Zulu 6 approach, speed 180.
090 and heading 180 on the speed. 2000 until established, clear ILS Zulu 6 AirPod 1.
Okay, flaps 10 please.
Speed selected.
Okay, nav screen.
Right.
Let's go down to 1700 for now.
Established.
November 401 Juliet Sierra Cross, Vings at 2000, cleared ILS Zulu 6, approach, speed your discretion.
Don't forget you have the 15 hard
Right,
at
at Torby.
yeah, Dandy.
At, sorry, Dandy.
Yeah, Dandy.
Torby's the one after.
Yep.
Okay, 1700 Lisi.
AirPod 1, speed 170, and contact Teterboro Tower.
170 on the speed, AirPod 1 over to tower, have a good day.
Later.
Tower, good afternoon, AirPod 1, inbound Atlas Zulu 6, 170 on the speed, signature was.
AirPod 1, Juliet Runway 6,
Left 20.
copy signature west.
Left 20.
20.
Select.
And we're wind sight.
Didn't.
Runway 2 left on.
He said something signature west, but you can hit him up again.
Oh.
Okay, left, technically Victor, worldwide EQ.
AirPod 1, runway 6, clear land.
6, clear to land, AirPod 1.
34 Towers, 42, pushing a great knots across the ridge.
RTC, localizer
Okay,
green.
localizer's green, glide slope is
As
armed,
requested.
and the missed approach will be 2000
Alright.
in a minute.
Runway 2,
Yeah.
cross runway 1 at Alpha, continue Lima 1, Lima to the ramp.
And we are about 3.5, 4 miles about behind the guy ahead of us.
Oh.
5 Hotel Foxtrot, guys going back out.
We're gonna be, we're waiting for a jet, so probably be about 15 minutes. You want us to hold this code, or we'll call,
Winds are going to be tricky.
Where you guys heading to?
You got this.
just back out to, the river.
Well, hopefully.
Worst case scenario, I'll help you.
35 Hotel Foxtrot, I'm sorry that. 5 Hotel Foxtrot, squawk 0323 for the
Let's go gear down.
0323
I won't get too close to the guy ahead of
Hotel
us.
Foxtrot, got you up on the ticket, give me a call right to check.
Capture.
Thank you.
Roger, we'll
About
give you a call.
2,000 on the altitude.
Select.
Ocean 401 Juliet Sierra with the ILS Zulu 6.
401 Juliet, Hotel Runway 6, clear land, say parking.
Clear land runway 6 and
Three
we'll park
Okay,
at
flaps full.
signature east.
Speed check full
And
flaps.
before landing checklist.
Landing gear, verify 3.
I see 3 greens.
Flaps, verify 30.
I see 30.
Landing clearance received, and
Done.
lights are on. Before
Perfect.
landing check complete.
Okay. And once we're about probably 700-800 feet, give me a wind check.
Good, no problem.
Looks just left crosswind for now.
Yeah. And a little bit tail.
Yeah.
The best kinds.
EasyJet 726, runway 1's an option for a turnoff if you got it. EasyJet 726, runway 1, Quebec to ramp, remain this frequency.
Runway 1, back with you, to the 766.
Hey, Tower, Iconic 668 to Atlantic, Victor, it's ready to taxi.
Iconic 668 Tower, good morning, sir. Runway 1, taxi at Papa Hotel, hold runway 6.
Runway 1 via Papa Hotel, and we're cleared across 6, Iconic 668.
Iconic 668, hold short, runway 6, please.
Hold short 6, Iconic 668, good morning.
Wind check.
Wind 300 at 9.
Okay.
Tower, Flexjet 567, Flexjet with
Minimum.
taxi.
Flexjet 567 Tower, runway 1, taxi via Quebec, hold short, runway 1.
Runway 1, hold, taxi via Quebec and hold short runway 1, Flexjet 567.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Boilers out.
Okay.
Reverse green.
We'll go left on Victor.
Sounds good.
Airport 1, runway 1's an option, but turn off if you guys got always left on Victor.
We'll take Victor, no problem.
Yeah.
Airport 1, Victor Alpha, cross runway 1, continue Lima, hop at the ramp with me.
Victor Alpha, cross 19er. Lima, Papa to the ramp with you, Airport 1.
Icon 668, cross runway 6 at
Okay.
hotel, join Lima.
That was not fun.
Cross 6 at hotel,
Yeah,
join
that was a
Lima,
good job.
Iconic 668.
Okay. Then we're clear to cross, right?
Yep, APU coming up.
Thank you. And once you're done with that, after landing checklist.
Sounds good.
Flash 667, cross runway 1 at Quebec, at Lima, follow the XL.
Vacated runway. Right clear.
Flex Jet 667, cross runway 1 at Quebec, at Lima, follow the XL.
Cross runway 1 at Quebec and follow the
After
XL,
landing
Flex
complete.
Jet
Thank
567.
you.
And landing lights.
Left side is clear.
And final is clear on my side, crossing lights on.
And there's our lunch.
What's that?
Texas Roadhouse on the right.
Oh yeah.
It'll be open by the time we get there.
Yeah. You don't want to eat at Petco? Crossing lights off.
Thank you. And
Lima Papa with him.
oh, sweet.
He's doing everything today.
Yeah, it's really
It's kind of weird, right? It's not
yeah, because the
middle of the day.
I think my Bravo they got an edict in the morning. Guess it was busier.
Further.
They're heading down south.
River Towers at 4-2, we'll take the river check-in.
Engine 42 squawk VFR, appreciate it, we'll see you guys.
Rocket Story, 4-2, see ya.
Your G700 is not here today.
Oh, I wished it was mine.
Not necessarily mine, but flying it at least.
Yeah, I mean, wouldn't hurt having that around.
Yep.
Wait, 330 11 gets 14.
See how this guy does.
Head inside for a second, please.
Let's see what G4 I think. Oh, there's our guy.
Nice landing. A little bit on the left, but it was good.
It's fine, yeah.
Alright, APU is supplying.
72.
Thank you, and taxi lights off, please.
For the ILS Z.
Icon 668, altimeter 2988, runway 1 clear for takeoff.
Why so far?
Clear takeoff, Iconic 668.
Why not?
Moshi 1 Jet Zero, Romeo, come back to the ramp with me.
Okay, clear my right side. They're both expensive. I don't want to hit anybody.
I'll ramp with you for
You're far away.
here.
Eastern 872, T-Bow Tower, runway 6 close.
If you're gonna hit somebody, hit
Runway 1, copy,
the
net jet.
cheaper airplane.
Yeah.
Cleared to land, runway 6, exit 872.
Isn't that Mike Whiskey?
It is.
What are they doing here?
That's
a good question.
711, T-Bow Tower, runway 1, taxi via Papa
If the
Hotel.
GPU is connected, they're probably about to depart.
Yeah.
One, Papa Pill.
Let's go disconnect.
Kodo, say hi.
Okay.
Flex Jet 567, T-Bow 287,
Okay.
1 close takeoff.
Runway 1, clear for takeoff, Flex Jet 567.
ICAR 668, contact new departure 19.2.
92, Iconic 668, bye-bye.